Hello everybody, today we are going to do a vanilla sponge cake and we'll start with our dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients. I put it all together and we do 6 cups of flour. It's already in here, 6 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and that's all, and then you just mix it. So we've sifted and everything. And then in the mixer we will put in the 4 sticks of butter, soften. And we will also put in sugar. Oh, and we put in 2.5 cups of sugar. And so now we will grab our leaf attachment and just mix it. Put it on one. Then we'll just move it up little by little. We'll grab 8 eggs to crack. And now what we'll do is we'll grab our eggs and we will crack it in here and put it in one by one. Lower this down to stir. And now we'll just turn it off and scrape the sides. We'll just leave it on 2 for a little bit. And now what we'll do is we'll add the dry ingredients and the milk. We'll start with the dry and we'll just put a little bit by little. Turn it down to stir. Start and end with the flour. Now we'll do the rest of the flour and we'll let it mix. Now while we're waiting for that, we'll turn it off to 2, and then we'll oil and flour the pan. Butter. I meant butter, not oil. And we'll just do it like this. And we'll toss it over. And we'll get some flour. Make sure to get the sides really well. And now we'll just put the parchment paper on. And when the dough's ready, batter is ready, we'll just pour it in and toss it in the oven. Not physically toss it. Now we'll just use half of the batter, or half of it in here, and then we'll pull it out and do the other half. we go. And now we'll spread it out. And now tap it on the bottom. And now we'll put it in the oven. Leave in the oven for 1 hour. Now the cake has been in the oven for an hour and we'll check. Mom! How many? Did you not see that? Normally what we do is we'll just let it sit in the pan to let it cool down. But since we only have the one pan, we'll take it out, put it on here, put it in the fridge, and then add the other half of the batter. We do this just so it doesn't stick to the side, because if it does, then it'll just go and break. Now what we will do is we'll move it to going to make the icing for the cake. We will use 3 eggs. We like to make a Swiss meringue buttercream, and we use white eggs. We got our egg whites. Hang on, do that again. Do that again. There we go, we got our egg whites. Okay. And now we have to wait for our bowl. We're gonna wash that thing up and get it. While we're letting the vanilla sponge cake cool, we will make our icing. So we have 3 eggs of egg white. Put it in here. Then we put in the sugar, which is a 1/2 cup and 1 tablespoon. And a pinch of salt in here. And now we will put it over boiling water. We want to mix it just until it's really smooth and we don't feel the sugar. Ow, it's dissolved. Ow!
It doesn't usually hurt.
Yeah, you should go. We'll grab our whisk attachment and put it on the mixer. Put it on, move it up slowly. Keep it on 6. Okay, so what we're looking for is glossy buttercream and with peaks, soft peaks. See?
It's really soft. So now we're gonna add in the butter.
We only need 2 sticks of butter. We'll just put the butter little by little. And turn it on. On slow. Actually, on 2. We'll move it up to 2. Paddle attachment. Well, we're not making lots of icing because we're not going to decorate it. So, but if you really want to decorate, you double everything. But you use 5 egg whites. And we'll grab the leaf for that. Put it on too. Now what we'll do is we will.
Keep going. Yep.
Now what we'll do is we'll get our icing is done and we will put food coloring in to make it pink. This is a pink food coloring, but it makes it look pink. Don't judge. That red food coloring worked.
Take the parchment paper off.
Now what we'll do is we'll get the cake on the turntable. Now we'll come on with the next piece. Add more buttercream. There you go. And now we will crumb layer it. We did our crumb layer and now we are going to do our buttercream layer. That's how you make a cake, non-decorated vanilla sponge cake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it.